各位同學大家好，呢一個係2024年 DSE 嘅第28條 MC。咁呢條題目咧係關於中央銀行咧，佢就係降低嗰個嘅 discount rate 啦，個貼現息口啦。咁就導致咧 commercial banks 問佢借錢嘅時候咧，嗰個嘅息口咧就會比較低。咁所以就會多咗 commercial banks 咧就會向中央銀行借錢嘅。咁即係話咧喺 money market 嗰度咧，多咗 commercial bank 問中央銀行借錢之後咧，就會導致 money market 裏邊嘅 money supply 上升，咁繼而咧就會令到呢一個嘅 interest rate 咧就會係下跌嘅。好啦，當 interest rate 下跌嘅時候，咁如果我哋話對於 product market 又會有啲咩嘅影響呢？咁我去翻呢一個嘅 ASAD model 嘅 product market 睇睇啦。當 interest rate 下跌嘅時候咧，就會令到呢一個嘅 investment 啦，同埋呢一個嘅 consumption expenditure 咧都會增加。咁最主要就係因為咧而家借貸成本係下降咗啦，所以就會多咗人借錢噶啦。咁借錢就攞嚟去投資啦，去消費啦。咁最後就會令到 AD 上升，咁亦都會令到咧呢一個嘅short one 時候嘅 Y 咧係會上升嘅。咁呢一個就係一個 short one 嘅影響啦。咁而家呢條題目就問你咧，以下邊一個情況咧係會削弱咧以上呢個政策對於 aggregate output 向 short one 時候嘅影響？咁我哋可以逐一分析。咁首先 A 啦，the use of digital money becomes more popular in country A。如果 digital money 咧變得係更加之 popular 嘅話咧，就會令到咧喺 country A 嗰度咧就會少咗人咧係會去用呢一個嘅即係現鈔噶啦。咁所以咧呢一個嘅 money demand 就會減少。咁喺 money market 裏邊，如果 money demand 減少咧，其實就會令到嗰個嘅 interest rate 咧係會減少嘅。咁變相就即係話咧個 effect 咧就會同咧頭先嗰個 lowest discount rate 呢一個政策嘅 effect 咧係會一樣嘅。咁即係話都係會令到 aggregate output 咧係會上升嘅。咁變相即係話 A 咧就唔係答案啦，佢係唔能夠 weaken the effect 係咪？佢反而係 strengthen the effect。好啦，咁我哋都不如跳埋落去睇 C 先啦。Governments of country A relax the restrictions on the importation of foreign workers。咁意思即係話咧，容易咗咧，係有一啲嘅外勞咧可以進入 country A 嗰度工作啦。咁喺 short one 嚟講，會帶來一個咩嘅情況咧？咁就會令到咧 short one AS 係會增加，因為我哋嘅 quantity of labour 增加。咁並且佢哋嚟到呢一個 country A 嗰度咧，咁佢哋都有機會會消費嘅，咁所以咧佢哋嘅 C 會增加啦 ，AD 亦都會增加，咁變相即係最後咧都係會令到 Y 增加，咁即係話咧其實個 effect 咧亦都係同 lower discount rate 係一樣嘅，咁所以都係冇弱化到咧本身 lower discount rate 嘅 effect 嘅喎，所以 C 亦都唔係答案啦。咁去到睇 D 啦 ，Government of country A increase its investment on local infrastructure。咁當我哋去 invest in infrastructure 嘅時候，喺 short one 嘅時候會發生咩事咧？咁就會令到 I 係增加 ，AD 係增加，咁最後咧個 Y 亦都係增加嘅。咁即係話再一次我哋見到咧係唔能夠 weaken 個 effect 嘅。咁所以咧答案咧就係 boy 啦。咁點解咧？Some major trading partners of country A experience an economic recession。咁當佢哋係 experience economic recession 嘅時候咧，佢哋對於 country A 嘅出口咧 ，OK 就會咧個需求咧就會係減少噶啦。咁即係話咧 country A 嘅 X 咧就會係跌啦。假設如果 N 不變嘅話咧 ，NS 咧其實都係跌嘅。咁即係最後 AD 係會跌 ，Y 係會跌嘅。咁所以卒之我哋就發現啦。咁多個選項當中咧，只有 option B 咧係會令到呢一個嘅 lower discount rate 嘅 effect 係 weaken 嘅啫，所以答案係 boy。